subscribers. Thank you so much, my new subscribers. Oh God, may God bless you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, in this video, I went out with my friends and we were just having lunch. Yeah, I would say lunch. Yes, went to an Indian restaurant. We were having lunch. Then I couldn't make a video with my friends because they were not comfortable being on a video with me. Yeah, so next time you're gonna see my friends, guys, don't worry. So here we're just having our food, guys. This food was so yummy. It was very nice and I enjoyed. So guys, stay tuned and watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell others to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. It's a Sunday today, and I'm just home. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So I'm just home. Nothing much is happening. I woke up early today. Okay, let me just yesterday, as you saw in the previous clip, went out with my friend. Though I couldn't take like pictures of them or make a video with them because they weren't comfortable with it. Yeah, you know, there are some people who are just not camera friendly. Yes, so I got home around 8 in the evening. Then I didn't do anything really, just straight went to bed. And this morning when I woke up, because I was tired yesterday, so this morning when I woke up, uh, I never really thought of going to church. I don't know how you guys comment below. Have you ever felt like that? And that's just me. Sometimes if I wake up in the morning and I don't feel like going to church on a Sunday, I prefer not to go to church. I just stay back. So I don't know how you guys um do it. Do you go to church or you stay back? Okay, so on my side, I've stayed back. I'm home, and as in for now, I'm just trying to take my tea, my morning tea. Then from there, I see how it goes. I think I have to start preparing lunch because I want them the time they'll be getting back from church. Everyone, to find the food is ready. Yes, so guys, we're gonna cook together. Yeah, we're going to cook together. I'm preparing sweet potatoes, boiled sweet potatoes, like you mash them, then mix with carrots and onion. Then later you make any stew that you want, either chicken stew or beef stew. Mix with it, and it tastes heavenly. So guys, let's see how it goes. See you. So I'm coming from the market. Oh my god. Um, I, f- I forgot, like, I didn't have green paper and carrots, so I rushed to the market to grab some. So I'm just on my way back home. I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm like, it's a little bit sloppy where I stay, so I need just to like push myself till I get home. But I'm already home. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you soon. So our food is ready. These are sweet potatoes. These are sweet potatoes. We have gravy here, and that's the chicken. So I'm just gonna serve everyone so that we eat. We have our lunch now. Lunch is ready. It's ready. Sweet potatoes, chicken, same. We're having the same food. Wewe unaita kahanji kako. Ndaifua. Honestly speaking, guys, this food you can't finish it all. These are sweet potatoes, and I had to make sure each one of them had a big portion. Mm. Mm. Guys, when you see that we're quiet, then the food is nice. So I'll talk to you later when we are done eating. Right? Mm. See you. Mm. This is just wonderful. Try this again. Try this. Oof. Thank you.